running can be a very nice activity if you are doing it right. If you run in a relaxed mood, in a peaceful mood, if you are not trying to run too fast, neither too slow, if you are doing it in a flowing mood. Especially beneficial is if you are listening to some nice music or to some class, and thus you can be really absorbed in your meditation, on some sound, on listening something, hearing something. And also you can concentrate very nicely on the nature that surrounds you. You can really appreciate the nature and enjoy the nature. And if you are doing it in a peaceful way, then you will always be interested to do it. If you are not exhausting your body while you are running, if you are not hurting your body while you are running, then you will always be motivated to run again if you are doing it in a right way. And if, let's say, something starts to hurt for your body, if some knee starts to hurt or feet starts to hurt, instead of straight away stopping and quitting the running, you should just try to run in a more peaceful, little bit more relaxed way. If it's still painful, you can start walking, and but you know, moving the body is something really good for you. If you want to increase your longevity, if at the old age you still want to be active and able to do things, then the right time is to start now. If you can't run, you can go for walks, and it will have similar benefits, and you can walk longer distances. If you have something interesting that you can listen to, some audiobook or some nice music, and if you can go for long walks, there are certainly many health benefits that will give you energy to your body, health to your body, positivity to yourself, so that you will be able to deal much better with all kind of difficult situations in your life. If you are maybe too tense, some things are very intense in your job, in your family, definitely do this, go for walks, go for runs, and thus naturally your body will be able to take more and tolerate more, and you will be more peaceful, more relaxed, and also so many health benefits are coming from running. So definitely try to do this regularly.